Meaning of Englishman.
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 Englishman. Englishman is a noun that refers to a male person who is a native or citizen of England. It is a term used to describe someone's national identity and can also refer to the English language and culture. The word Englishman has been used historically to imply superiority over other nationalities, but this connotation is now considered outdated and offensive by many. Overall, Englishman is a term used to identify someone's nationality and can also be used to refer to the cultural and linguistic traits associated with England.